Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, I am going to talk about on how you can write caption on a file in your collect. Maybe you want to write caption on your file in your collect so that it will serve as a reminder for you. So today, I am going to show you on how you can add captions on the files in your collect. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Collect application. Once you open your Collect application, you will be directed into this page to your All items. You can also see below the boards, Sort Later and Account. In here, to write a caption on your file, simply tap that file. For example, this one. I'll tap on this file and I'll write a caption for it. As you can see at the lower right corner of the screen, here is the little edit logo. Simply tap on it to write a caption. As you can see, write something about this item. Simply tap on this one and then your keyboard will pop up. For this one, I'll type in my cat. After that, simply tap anywhere. And then it will be automatically saved as a caption. As you can see, here's as an indicator that it have a caption on it. There you go. If you wanted to know on how to write caption on files in your collect, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to write a caption on your files in collect, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.